How do you wash your car? Grab a bunch of tools? Wasting your weekends in line? And automatic washes, they just scratch your paint and damage sensors. Meet DCC7, the world's lightest and safest car washer. No damage to the paint. Just one bottle of water and 5 minutes to clean. Got a few dirty spots? Do a quick touch-up. Need a full wash? That single bottle covers the entire vehicle. Our water dust circulation tech safely encapsulates dust, gently lifting dirt from the surface and channeling it into the internal waste tank. Continuous water separation keeps the roller clean, preventing swirl marks and scratches. Completely safe for your paint, radar, and ADAS sensors. A complete, spotless wash in just 5 minutes. No foam, no soap, and zero messy runoff. Cordless and hose-free. It's perfect for apartment parking. Wash anywhere and hit every angle without being tied down. You can even detail your car while it's charging. One full charge washes up to 5 cars. Keep it in your trunk, ready when you are. 5 minutes, 1 bottle of water. Full car wash anywhere, safe for paint and sensors.